Presenting the 2007 Holden Commodore.
This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors.
The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.